Hey traders, Bitcoin is at $77,400. Is this the start of a bullish breakout or just a trap? Let's dive into the analysis.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back.
And don't forget to check out our Patreon page. We've just posted fresh premium signals with solid targets, so you don't want to miss them. Start with the tester plan for just $10. Link is in the description and comments below. And remember, always do your own research. This is not financial advice.